actually आता को मेरा engineer भांजा. So he's opened the box of this. So he has decided to remove this phone charger from it.
Nice.
So do it yourself. So similarly, Pinak's bike battery also can be replaced. I mean, this needs to be charged. So Pinak's this wire needs to be removed. So this needs to be removed. So this is the one. Unsure. So now I think if we pull battery. So if we pull this, now it will it got stuck somewhere. तुम्हें नीचे तक ये कनेक्शन तक खुला दो कौन जगह फंसा है So this was the mobile charger and holder. So you can keep this spare because it has a USB here. Through this you can charge.
The voltage
non-lead